Paathukaappu Sangam, also called the Nature Protection Society.
We are very excited and delighted to be securing the 4th position in the Youth for Earth 2023 campaign. Our team members are very glad that we got felicitated and our activities got featured in the 5th International Conference on Sustainability Education 2023 for our service to nature. We dedicate all our credits to nature.
With the prize money we received, we made a plastic barrier on our own and installed it in the nearby stream to filter plastic waste entering the pond.
The collected plastic waste is then separated by our team and given to Scrap Baby, a waste management startup operating in our district.
Our next plan is to set up more plastic barriers in streams and rivers to control plastic pollution in ponds and oceans. Once again, we heartfully thank the Mobius Foundation and International Conference on Sustainability Education for recognizing our efforts.